Well, my mom and my sister and I went to Long Doggers for lunch, and then we had to go do a little bit of shopping. And we're off to Five Below. So Tammy and I are at Five Below, and we're in the toy section. Looking around. Look how cute these are. They're little mystery. There's all kinds of mystery
some people
things.
like these characters.
Look how cute. These aren't mystery, but look. Is that strawberry shortcake?
Yeah, it is strawberry shortcake.
Oh.
Isn't it? What's his name?
Is it Dalton. Is that Gary?
Who is this guy?
Who's that? That's Patrick.
Patrick. That's
all
right. Hello, everybody. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. Look who I have with me today.
Hello, Tammy. Peacecraft dolls are over here.
Well, we just got back from going to get some really yummies to eat over at Long Doggers, and we decided to head on over to Five Below, and we're going to show you what we got. All right, so we got them all organized here. You want to go first?
Let's just say Five Below is $5 and below.
Right.
And most things in there are $5, and I thought I was just going to buy like 2 things and only spend $10, but that did not happen. But we did have some restraint. It was difficult, but we did have some restraint. So
yeah, toy section's pretty cool. Let me just say.
Yeah. So the original reason we went was because of these cutie patooties. All right, she got some of these for me at Five Below, actually, not that long ago. And they had, they also have little sunglasses too. And these fit a Blythe doll. I have already shown these on my channel. I'm not going to take them off the card though today because I broke a pair like this. So I really want to make sure these get home and I don't crack the lens. Okay, so I got 2 of them. I probably would have bought more, but these were the only 2 tortoiseshell types that they had. So I got these for obviously for Blythe. Okay.
All right. And so my granddaughter, one of my granddaughters is turning 5. So I had to get her a card. Isn't that pretty? $1.
That's good. That's
good. Good deal. So I got to get that ready and out in the mail.
Can we show this? Okay, so this is something I did not expect to get there. It was completely not on my list, but when I did see it, I was like,
I was really tempted to get one.
Check it out.
Cousin It.
$5. So, I mean, I kind of had to. I will unbox this on my channel, Peacecraft Dolls, but I'm just showing you guys today. In case you guys want to run over and get one.
Yeah.
I think I've seen them other places too, so
really?
At least online I've seen people getting them. I have not seen the actual item in other places, but I don't go shopping in the real world very often. And I think this guy's going to look great on my Wednesday Addams shelf. So, because I have a doll shelf that has my Wednesday doll that I customized and her friend Enid and her cello and all kinds of stuff. So he's going to be perfect for that. So
right. And I'll leave a link down in my description box below to her channel so you can go check out the unboxing of Cousin It.
Yay. All right.
So originally the reason we went is to get these glasses. And then we started going through the toy section and we saw all these little like surprise
blind
things.
box, blind bags.
Yeah,
a
whole bunch of them. And
all different kinds.
It was hard for me to choose. She picked that up. Yeah. I picked this one up. Let's
so these are the 4 possibles. We might get a plushie, little plushie that's got it. Was that a donut?
One's an ice cream. One's pizza. So we have a purple guy with ice cream. There's kind of a grayish green with
that's
pizza.
A cookie. That's a cookie that the other guy has.
A cookie and a donut. Yeah, okay. Pink cookie and a white donut. You go ahead and open yours up.
Let's see. All right.
Have y'all gotten these before?
Oh, how cute! It's a little cookie. And it has so it has a little clippy thing, so you can clip this onto something, or you could take it off. But look at the back.
That's cute.
Cutie patooties.
Hanging on your backpack, your purse.
This might go on my purse. I might put them on my purse. Okay, so what'd you get?
Let's see if I got something different.
Cookie guy. All of them are cute.
Mine's different. I got the donut guy. Isn't he cute?
These are adorable. These are super cute. Yeah. Yeah, we had fun over there. And we didn't spend a lot of time because you can spend a lot more than $5 in there.
Yeah, you can.
Yes.
All right. Speaking of surprises, I did not get this at, this did not come from Five Below.
I wish.
I know. Tammy actually ordered a whole bunch of these. And again, check out her YouTube channel. She's got...
I showed the box, so you can buy these on AliExpress, all 8 of them, or 8 of them in a box. And I already had like 4 of them, and I wanted them all. So I went ahead and bought the box, because if I bought them individually now, the price has gone up way more than what I originally paid. And so if I've already gotten it, I'm gifting her the ones I already have.
And I'm excited about this one.
So I took it out and I put it back in and taped it closed.
Yep. Well, when you did that, I was like, oh, am I the one that's going to get it? She had already given me another one, which I have a video about that. But look at this. It's the one with the puppy dog.
Yay, the doggy.
Actually, that little dog on there reminds me of Spud. I just got back. We left Tennessee yesterday for Florida. And my mother-in-law, she has a dog named Spud.
I saw Spud in one of your videos.
Looks
recently.
just like him. Spud's a 17-year-old mutt. Loves to go for walks. Wonderful dog.
Cute.
But isn't she cute?
Yeah. So now you have a collection because you have 2.
I have a collection. I have 2.
I meant to
Okay,
put it
so
in.
there is a card. That.
Yeah.
By the way, if I remember correctly, she mentioned this on her unboxing of these. If you want to be surprised...
Yeah.
When you unbox them, don't look at the card.
Yeah.
Just pull
the
the
card
thing out.
So this is in there, and then the card's in there. But if you open it up and you pull the card out, you're going to know what's in here.
It does have a picture of her on here, though.
Yeah, but all the boxes look like this.
Oh, they all have this.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so you don't know.
Yeah.
So she just happened to be in this box.
Yeah.
But all the other ones, they have her on there, too. Okay. But if you want to be surprised, don't get the little card out first.
Yeah.
So
And the stand's in there.
Oh, that's right. These stands are actually pretty cool. Let me show you how they work.
They're a pain, though. I mean, I don't know. I have a hard time with them. I have a hard time getting... Like, once I get the doll in there and then don't touch it.
Right.
It stays up really well once you get it in. But I struggle still a little bit with getting... See, there's a little hole in the back. And I struggle with getting the little peg in the hole. Even though I know there was a trick you go sideways.
Don't do what I just was trying to do. Here's one side. Here's another side. It does not go in this side. I was trying to jam it in there. And I remember the last time I did this, I almost broke this thing. It goes on the flat side.
Yeah.
And it goes in pretty easily. I mean, it's not
that
real
one it goes
easy,
in pretty easily.
Yeah.
but getting it, I don't know, unless you have a trick. Do you have a trick you can show me? Because
I don't know.
I struggled with that. And then once you know, like if you knock them over or something, the thing comes out. Oh, you did it right.
There she goes.
You did it really
Isn't she
easily.
cute?
I just must be me. Yeah.
She looks like she's doing a back bend, though.
Yeah. You got to kind of push her a little. Let's see if I do that. Then just be careful. There. Yeah. Just push her a little bit. Yeah. What's nice too is your little dog. Like when I got mine, my little dog was all torqued up, his little leash and everything. But yours looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, those are really fun.
Those are fun.
What are these called? Just little Blythe?
They're Blythe's
Street Snap?
Street Snaps. And they're a Hasbro. They actually are a Hasbro. They're not like knockoffs or anything. I don't want to.
They're real.
Yeah, they're real. They're for real.
They're not the fakies.
Yeah, they're not fake. Yeah, they're licensed Hasbro toys. Yes.
All right. Is that it?
I think so.
This was fun.
Malibu says hi.
Oh, and by the way, I finally named this doll
Oh, yeah?
Daisy.
Oh, that's a perfect name.
I've been wanting a
like
daisy, and
Yeah.
I love daisies.
Yeah.
So,
All
brought
right.
Daisy with me this time. Anyway, this has been a fun video.
Yeah.
I hope we can do some more while I'm here visiting with my family in Florida.
Yay.
Thanks for joining us today, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette and my sister Tammy Pally signing out for now. Bye-bye.